Kanjũ ya mangabana yugĩte atĩ kauntĩ makĩria ma 10 ya kũrika gĩkĩro-inĩ gĩa gũbatara ũteithio wa irio wa naihenya kũng'ethanĩra na ng'aragu. Gatagatĩ ga kauntĩ ici nĩ Laikipia, Tharaka Nithi, Tana River, Isiolo, Mandera, Garissa, Turkana, Wajir, Samburu na Marsabit, kũrĩa aikari a matũra mamwe kauntĩ-inĩ ici maretha ũteithio wa irio na mahiũ. Hĩndĩ ya gĩikaro kĩa rũhonge rwa irio gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, atongoria a kauntĩ ici maugĩte atĩ nĩ maranyitanĩra kũgeria gũteithĩrĩria arĩa magũmĩirwo nĩ ng'aragu na marabatara gũkorwo makĩheo irio nĩ Akenya othe.
The counties, there's a lot of challenges, and one of the major challenges that we have there is drought, where most of the counties have slipped into alarm stage, and we are likely to drip into emergency. I can say that this drought could be compared to the drought of 1984 for those who can remember, but due to interventions which have been done by partners and the counties and the national government, that's why you can see the effect is not as devastating as 1984. In Isiolo, we have lost quite a number of animals, and I think even for other counties, I think for cattle we have lost around 5%, they have died. Sheep have sent 3%, goats have sent 2%, and the camel, which is a little bit more resistant to the drought, we see it as a drought-resistant animal, they have lost 0.5%.
In terms of the drought mitigation, FAO had been partnering with the government. For example, just very recently, we worked with the government of Kajiado to deliver range cube, which are food resources for livestock. This will prevent a lot of death among livestock and also boost the livelihood of the people. FAO, I know, had also been partnering with the government on the issue of cash transfer, through which assistance are provided to the very needy family at the community level.
The livestock owners have to look for pasture, to look for water, and that is a cross-border movement. This movement has a risk because as the animals move, they are also likely to carry certain diseases which are not normally in these areas they are moving into. They may come in with diseases which are new.